You'd be surprised at what she does with a thin, flat, wooden board. Wanted to make something special for her son's high school graduation, so I invited her over.
Hi, hello, happy morning. Welcome. Welcome to my channel where our main purpose is to make and save time and money. Today I have a guest who will be making party signs for the first time. She's making the sign for her son who's graduating from high school. She wants the sign to be specifically and specially for her son, so she can't buy them. She either needs to make them or go without one, right? Right. So if she makes them, then she'll have some supplies, extra supplies, and with the extra supplies, she can make more and she can sell them. Therefore, she can save time and also make money.
And if I may say so myself, I think she did a fantastic job as a first-timer. Why, she's an instant pro at this.
I just don't know if I should do one up and down.
Were you thinking of doing it up and down with the name?
I think that would be good. What do you think? You can't go wrong, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
How special. Mom came up with the phrases herself. Phrases especially for her
I think
son.
it's fun.
Can't buy these at the
Yeah,
store.
And then leave that one straight.
Yeah, with the name.
Okay.
She's gonna ask her son's friends to sign the back. These boards tell the story of his 2021 graduation year. And signed at the back are friends and family who shared this special moment with him. Most importantly, that year was a pandemic year. Can't buy these at the stores, gotta make them.
And again, thank you for watching. My name is Beth. Please subscribe and ring that bell. Also, if I may ask, please share. Thank you so much. Bye for now. See you soon.